Hi Kishore,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side. Yeah, before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kishore, introduce about yourself, college, and your native.
Myself, K. Kishore. I am from Visakhapatnam, and recently I have graduated from GPulla Reddy Engineering College, and I have done my internship in CMTI, and I have placed in CMTI. Role is a site engineer.
Okay, that's nice. Like in your internship program, what all you have learned, like new topics, and what you have gained the knowledge.
I have learned in internship 3D Max, SketchUp, and bar bending schedule, Vastu. I have learned so many things from CMTI.
Okay, like how was the interview procedure?
Actually, we have done internship in third year, ma'am. We came from Karnool Polarity Engineering College to attend the interview in Bangalore. Interview experience was very nice. CMT members was helped a lot. Uh,
Okay, from Kannur to Bangalore, how was the journey and how you feel?
uh, After coming to Bangalore, uh, in 2 days I received the job. I'm so excited, ma'am.
Okay, like what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placements and about the CMTA?
Uh, join I want to say them to join the internship and learn the things what they are providing. They are providing different courses based on their interest. Join in CMTM.
Okay, like which role you have selected for?
I'm selected for site engineer.
Okay, I think you are very much happy with your placements.
So excited, and my parents are very happy.
Yeah, before completing your college, like still your graduation need to be complete. Before that, you have got the placement. How you feel?
Yes, ma'am. Very happy, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Kishore, like that was a great talk. Thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity.